Hi, welcome back. Another important formula 21. What is Sumif function? What are all the advantages basically? If you would like to subscribe more skills for Excel and SAP or any other skills, whatever I know, including corporate skills, please subscribe my channel. Okay. Let's try to play with the data. What is Sumif actually? So it is very, very important certain times. For example, if you look at this is the soccer team as an example. So here I'm just highlighting this. I'm just making this one as a table. Okay, this is the table available. So you are like it is simple example, but it is sum if is very powerful. For example, if you'd like to sum this, okay, this you have already learned this. If I select the area of rows and columns, you are getting the total number of goals. Okay, total number of goals, GOALS, goals actually. Okay, so when you would like to for example, Ronaldo is there, Messi is there. If you would like to know the sub sum of total goals scored by Ronaldo itself, or else Mbappe itself, or else Messi itself, how you can able to do that? Okay, so let's for that we can able to use it. Okay, team name, and I'll just show you this one example. So total goals. Okay, so you can take any name for that, ma'am. So for example, if I'm taking Ronaldo, okay. So Ronaldo goals alone, I want it out of the list. Suppose if you are looking this table, the formula looks like simple. For example, you will have a huge data like 10,000 rows, 15,000 rows. Okay, you can able to calculate by using sum if. For example, sum if. Okay, so first we need to select the range. You can able to see the formula. Okay, so better observe this. Let me try to let's do one thing. Let me try to increase the font. Okay, so here, for example, okay, so let me try to little reduce the font. Okay, okay. Now if you look at this, how many goals Ronaldo scored? Some if bracket, open bracket starts. So who is this? So what is the range? You have to select the range. From the range, where is Ronaldo? I want it. So come here. So next, what I want it. So simply select the Ronaldo. Okay. So from the Ronaldo in the range, Ronaldo related. So what is the total of this one? For example, if you select this, so what is the total? How many goals Ronaldo scored is 21. Okay, let's try to submit here. Ronaldo. Okay, so first 5 goals. Okay, I'm just highlighting this one. 5 goals. And next 3, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm just highlighting this. So you have a 3, 5, 6 goals. And where exactly the Ronaldo again? Here 1 goal. Okay, this one. So, and here the Ronaldo, one more goal. Okay. So one. So if I highlight this, you can able to see the total. So total is 21. Below you can able to see. Otherwise, you can able to sum this one for alone. So that sum if is working across the rows of the target. Okay, 21. We got the 21. In the similar way, if you want Messi, I will show you the formula again so that you can able to remember this. Equal to sum if, okay. So in this, what is the range you want it? You have to select the range. You have to select the range. You have to select the range. So then you have to choose the Messi. Okay. And you would like to know the from the range how many goals Messi scored actually. You can able to see this 10 goals he scored. So 7 plus 3, no other place. So in the similar way, M Mbappe also you want it. Then just copy this one. The formula is 12 actually. You can able to see this Mbappe 2, 2, 4, 4, 10 and 2. Total 12 goals he scored. This is how the sum if function works actually. So this is very, very important, very, very useful. So the upcoming formulas, most of the formulas what you are going to learn is very very important. If you really like this video, please like it and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a